It is time, brothers. It is time. Let's see. What shall we make? Let's start with something simple, you know? Alright, let's grab the monitor. Alright, let's do this. So, I say that we should start with something a little more simple. Well, not really simple, because that's what we did last time, of course. So let's see. Let's see. What should we do? Make a part. Oh, okay. Challenge. It explodes. Could probably do that. Local boom. Kaboom equals instance.new part workspace. Local boom equals. Wait, no. I should save the boom for the function. All right. So now I'm not gonna affect any of the size or anything. So, well, let me just go up here. Make this look a little more neat at least. So variables. Local kaboom equal part. Okay, so oh wait, I'm missing something. I need a click detector. Local clicky equals instance.new click detector kaboom. I'm actually gonna invite Harry over real quick if he wants to. Harry's a big coder. Yo, me coding. Wanna gum? I'll also invite Poke. Me coding. Wanna gum? Okay, so let's start this. Okay, so clicky dot mouse clicked connect. Now we have to connect it with a function. Okay, so now let's do kaboom spawn. Workspace, position it on. Where does kaboom spawn? Placing the position to my char C frame after I do the main source code. Placing the position to my char C frame after I do the main source code. So, okay, let's see. Instance.new. Wait, local explodey. Local explodey equals instance.new explosion workspace. Right, I need it to be parented to workspace. So now explodey.position equals kaboom.position. Alright, welcome rug. Let me just MSB add player rig. There we go. Alright, so now explodey, so I'm also do explodey dot destroy joint radius percent equals about 10. Okay, so what else should I do? Should I do anything with this? I feel like, actually, hold up. I might have to anchor it. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna have to anchor it. part values. Kaboom dot anchored equals true. That's really all I need for the part value. Yep, it will go to Brazil. Mate's right. Okay, let's see. Anything else I need? I don't think so. Let's try that out. Okay. Mouse click. It's either click. I think it's click, not clicked. Mouse click. Oh yeah, you're right. I also need that to be here. Yeah, you're right. Part dot cframe equals owner dot character dot head dot cframe. Okay, what do we have here? It's him to index nil with cframe. Ah, I see. I did the wrong value. I did part. I meant to do kaboom. Kaboom dot cframe. Okay, so now that should work. Yeah. See that? Whoops, he's dead. Yeah. Okay, what has he got over here? Try to break down my code. See what it does. Here, I'll give this to Alex. Give this to Alex. Now we should be able to run that. Still streaming, mate. Oh boy, what did you do? Ah, change all that to Alexander Zenek monitor. Alright, so now that we have this... Oh, wait, hold up. Actually, I've got an idea. This is gonna be so dumb. Alright, well, now I just have another idea, and this is so dumb. Local tool equals instance dot new tool workspace. So I'm pretty sure if I just like slap a tool in the workspace, like if I go, find the tool thing real quick. Where is it? Tool. There should be a requires handle value. Requires handle. So now I'm going to go up here. And instead of doing clicky.mouse clicked, I'm going to remove the kaboom. And I'm going to do like tool.activated connect function. I'll do that instead. Part values. Okay, let's see. I'll do I think I'll do this next. Okay, so tool values. What I'm doing is I sent it to him. So basically, what I'm gonna do with this is basically I'm gonna try to put it on my character's torso, and then I'm gonna weld it to my torso, and then I'm gonna be able to activate the tool to make it kaboom. You get where this is going. And then I'll have it destroy the part once it's done. And then I'll have it, maybe I'll actually have it destroy the script too. Alright, so let's see. Local clicky. I think I'll just get rid of clicky, to be honest. Alright, let's see. Okay, so alright, tool dot requires handle equals false. This be add player tor. Clean up the parts, mate. So laggy. Huh. Ouch. Well, that cleaned it. That certainly did. Alright, so let's see. So requires handle equals false. We do dex. That way I can see the tool. Okay, manual activation only. No, tooltip. The tool. So basically I'll have the I'm gonna do up here. So I'm gonna do tool dot name equals kaboom. Tool dot tooltip equals kaboom. Ow, man. Just hit my hand on my desk. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now don't question it, mate. Okay, so let's see. What is that? Okay, I've hit my mic many times. Hitting my desk is not anything new. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, okay, first I have to understand how welds work. So let's do insert object. Let's find a weld object. A weld. Here we go. All right, let's see. So part one, I could just do like kaboom, and then part two, I would do like upper torso or something. Okay, so let's do, I'm gonna switch this to false. So now, down here, before the function, I'm gonna add a new line, and I'm gonna do, so instance dot new weld. So I could do workspace, but instead I'm gonna do owner dot character. Okay, so how about this one? We do, instead of that, we do, okay, so Oh wait, I need to name the property. Weld equals, okay, so weld dot part 0 equals game dot workspace dot Kiwako dot, let's do upper torso. And then weld dot part 1 equals, let's yeah, Kaboom. So in theory, that should weld it to my torso. So instead of mouse clicky, instead I'm gonna do tool dot activated connect function. Okay, so now I'm gonna get rid of the clicky. I'm gonna get rid of the clicky variable. It's just gone now, okay? It never existed. What the heck? Who's doing that with the thing? Let me just... I'm gonna lock the base plate. How did you make the background? It took experimentation with the monitor and its parts, but eventually found out. So now instead of doing it on my head, I need to do it on my upper torso. Okay, so if this is just a test, I don't know if it will work first try. So attempt to call nil value. So let's find out what this nil value is. Requires handle, anchored. Normally this is just me like forgetting something. This is normally like me forgetting to add something, like an end or like an end statement or something. Code. It could be tool.activated. You know what? I'll consult Memo. Memo's the coder. Well, actually, I don't know if he's on right now. Could ask Landorus, but he's offline. I think it's tool.activate. I think Alex knows. Actually, you know what? I can just view my old part script. Part.lua. Edit. Tool.activated connect function. Yeah, it's tool.activated connect function. Oh, wait. I feel like... Okay, hold on. I need to do... Okay, I'll take Alex's owner.backpack. Okay, so we got another issue. Owner.backpack. Okay, so the tool is owner.backpack. So that is correct. That is correct. Okay, let's see. What else could be the issue? It could be one of these. It could be whatever this is. So that's select an object. I might have to do a string. I'll try it as a string instead. Some things are just goofy that way. I'll see if it's a string. Actually, you know what? Instead of game.workspace, I could do owner.character. Yeah, I could do owner.character. Actually, no. Yeah, game.workspace. Kiwako.upper torso. So the nil value. What is the nil value? It's not C-frame. It would have told me if it's C-frame. So what is the nil value? I don't really know. Is that a string? C1? What the heck is C1? Chivable, enabled equals true. Could ask memo, but I can't get a response that fast. Still ask him anyway. Yeah, that's part 0. Weld.part 0. So I'm trying to get it to be... I wouldn't think that's a string. No, that shouldn't be a string. Because I have to define a part. That shouldn't be a string. Yeah, it should just be like that. Kaboom is the part. Part 1 is that. Kaboom anchored equals false. Kaboom C-frame owner character upper torso C-frame. Attempt to call nil value. Owner dot upper character dot upper torso. That's true. I could try that. Owner dot character dot upper torso. So it's still attempting to call nil value. Okay. If only, because it's saying it's line 1, but this is line 1. There's nothing wrong with that line. It's a MSB error, basically. What is it saying? MSB doesn't have everything like custom error-wise and output-wise. So I'm like positive it's the weld right here. I'm positive it's these. But I'm not sure if it's like how it's how I would select the part. It's not a string. It's not just like the thing itself. Do a print before weld. What? Do print before weld? What do you mean? I could actually just put this into Studio. If I put this in the Studio, it will give me a more accurate output. I could see what it is. Yeah, I'll do Studio. I'll input it in the Studio, see what's up. Control A, Control C. Learning script. So I don't. Studio has an atmosphere that like overwhelms me when it comes to coding. Like when I'm in a game and like when I have this, it's like less overwhelming. You know, it's like more customizable how it feels. Okay, let's see. Because like owner equals game.players at Kiwako at start. But you would have to do owner equals. No, I wouldn't really have to do that because owner itself is that. Owner itself is that string. Owner is game.players.kiwako. Owner is game.players.kiwako. Why else would Memo have that there? Alright, so I got Studio open. Let me just shove that in here and see what's up. Okay, so what I'm getting from this is there's nothing wrong with the part. It's actually the tooltip. It's what I have named the tooltip. It's a malformed string, apparently. Okay, I'll just name it that. How about now? Huh! I have it! That's so dumb. Okay, I'm gonna save that as thingy. Why not have another thingy? Oh, I have two thingies. What is this thingy? Oh, that's a touched function. Alright, so if that's a touched function, I could just Control A, Control C, get out of here, Notepad, Save. Touch function. Wait, what? Huh? What? That's not... That's not this code. What is it? Where is it? That's not that. No, no, I'm not Max. Memo has more at MSB holding place. It can't be this, because why is it that? If I do git/sr, no, look at this, look at this, look at this. This is the thing I just made. This I just made. The part script and the kaboom. I open it. Oops. It's a script I made earlier. Oh, wait. Oh! Yeah, I forgot. It takes Dingy's place. So, yeah. Yeah, there it is. I could give it a mesh, like a bomb mesh, but then that would be like more placement and stuff. Kaboom. Mesh won't work, you tried? What did you do for the mesh? Show. What'd you do for the mesh? Show. Show me the code you used. /coin. No, the code. The code, mate. Go. Turn that off. Grr, it's loud. It's loud. Ah! I'm going this way. So mean of them to do that. There we go. Okay. Now. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to do a mesh. So a thing that Memo mentioned is MSB is pretty goofy when it comes to strings sometimes. So let's do local part equals instance.new part workspace. Let's put that in the workspace. Local mesh equals instance.new part. No, not part. Mesh part. Mesh. Wait a second. Do I have to do mesh part? Oh, wait. Oh! Local part equals local mesh part equals instance.new mesh part workspace. So now let's do mesh part values. Mesh part. Okay, let me see the mesh part. Okay. Mesh. Mesh part. It's a mesh part. So mesh ID. Let me just grab like a circle ID. I have a circle in my I have a circle in my my IDs. I can do that instead. Mesh ID. Could not fetch. What do you mean? I'm not gonna upload a mesh, mate. Could not fetch. HTTP asset delivery. I have HTTP services on in this game. Permissions. No, security. Yeah, allow HTTP requests. That's enabled. That's enabled. So let me try a different one. What about... Marketplace. Marketplace. Meshes. No, let's do... you know what? You know what? Let's do a Freddy mesh. Let's do like a Freddy mesh. How about that? RBX asset ID. How? The mesh is like broken. Why can't I just like put a mesh under it? Special mesh. What the heck is a special mesh? Do I have to put like a mesh? Is that like the mesh for like a part? Okay, hold on. Special mesh. It's a head. I found it. Mesh. Mesh type. I don't look like a torso. Mesh ID. I have a mesh. I have a mesh ID. You're gonna take it. Huh? Is it just like really small or something? Oh, it could not fetch. Okay, so assets are like meshes are just having a big seizure. Alright, so I just won't worry about it, mate. So I won't worry about it. Alright, I'll close that. Okay, sorry about that. Oh yeah, I have chat logs. Memo gave me chat logs. H. Yeah, look at that. I know chat logs. Alright. So I'm probably gonna end this coding stream here, and then I'll probably start a game stream. Y'all wanna do strongest? Nah. Ouch. Oh, you wanna go? Huh! Must be. All right, let's see. Come here. Eh. Oh, you destroyed his player? Why didn't you just do kick? Why didn't you just do kick? Destroy. It's funny. Oh well, can't disagree with that. Alright, so I guess we're gonna end the coding stream here, and then we're gonna move on to a game stream. Alright. It is time. I will prepare the game stream for you now.